Hello everyone, welcome back to our 30 days Python series, and in this video we are going to learn about sets in Python. So what is set? Set is something that store the multiple values in a single variable. So how we can create set and how we can use it? So it's very simple, just use the s1, s2, anything and equal, and that start with curly bracket start and close and put any value. But whenever you put any value, that will return only the unique values. Okay, so suppose I just put here 2 3 4 and again 3 and then again 4. So my answer of that set will be 2 3 and 4 only. Okay, so let's try this. Print s1 and let me just run this, and as you can see here 2 3 and 4. Right, now I have some multiple values here. Okay, suppose like this. Okay, now I need to remove 2 from all the list. So it's very simple. You need to just simply do here s1 dot remove 2 and then print s1. Okay, let me just run this. As you can see here 3 4 23 6 and 54. Okay, I have the two sets, okay, s1 and s2. Then in the s2 I have the some values like 45 2 3 4 6. Now we need to use here the union and intersection. So what is union and intersection? We have the value a. In a we have the value of 1 4 5 9 13. In the b we have 2 5 6 8 9. So once we create a graph, okay, so all the unique value from the a and all the unique value from the b will combine in the union. But when we do the intersection, you can see the only common value from the both. Like suppose you can see here's the only one thing common is here you can see the 5 is common here. So that will display the 5. So in our case, let me just find out the union value first. So s1 dot union by s2. Okay, so we'll get only the unique values here. Okay, let me just run it. You can see 2 3 4 34 6, all these values. Now when I do the intersection, okay, let me just remove the union and just use here the intersection. Okay, intersection of s2. So once I do this, so I will receive only very few value that is common in both. So let me just run it. As you can see 3 and 6, only the 3 and 6 is the common in both sets. So that's the overall concept of sets in Python. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.